Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll dive into our 3-step transcription process. We'll walk you through our step-by-step approach that guarantees top-notch transcripts every single time. Step 1. AI Transcription. Remember the days of painstakingly deciphering audio files word by word? Those days are gone. Welcome to the age of AI transcription, where machines handle the heavy lifting, leaving you with more time and less earache. Manual transcription used to be a slow, error-prone process. Hours were spent squinting at waveforms, battling background noise, and hoping for the best. But thanks to the magic of AI, that's all changed. This nifty technology has cut our transcription time in half. It's like having a super-fast, super-accurate transcription assistant at our fingertips. No more tedious manual work. With AI transcription, we fly through audio files with effortless precision. It's made our lives so much easier, and we couldn't be happier about it. So, if you're still stuck in the manual transcription world, it's time to join us in the AI revolution. Trust me, you won't regret it. And guess what? We've made a big change when it comes to automatic transcription. We used to rely on Otter for automatic transcription, and we even had a tutorial in our free transcription course on how to use it. But now we use something better, Sonix.ai. It's perfect for the kind of transcription we do, which is intelligent verbatim. We've compared Otter and Sonix using Go Transcript's Compare Text tool. Sonix outperforms Otter. Otter has an 89% accuracy while Sonix has a 93% accuracy. This translates to fewer errors and less time spent editing, making Sonix the better choice for us transcribers. Step 2. Formatting and editing. Once we've got our draft all nicely transcribed in a text file, we're ready to give it that professional touch. Here's how we do it. We copy and paste the transcript into our template. We take the time to format everything just right, making sure it meets our client's specific requirements. We want to deliver a transcript that's tailor-made for them. But we're not done yet. We put on our listening ears and give the audio a play. As we listen, we're on the lookout for any spots that need a little bit of editing. Maybe there's a word AI didn't quite catch or a sentence that needs some polishing. We want to make sure our transcript is not just accurate but also flows smoothly and makes sense.
They're the words every woman dreads hearing. The screening has produced positive results. Screening has produced positive results. A breast tumour has been found. What follows may be months of chemotherapy or even radical surgery, and the fear of something yet worse happening, and it may all have been unnecessary. The latest research shows that about 4,000 women every year endure unpleasant or even disfiguring treatment for cancers that may not threaten their lives at all. I'm joined in the studio by two women who have had similar experiences but reacted rather differently to it. Miriam Pryke and...
I discovered at the time of my diagnosis that I may or may not ever develop cancer, but I hadn't been informed of this possibility before I went to screening.
Oh.
However, one thing led to another and I was treated, and because my suspicion...
Now, how do we handle multiple speaker audios? We've got a neat little trick up our sleeves to keep things organized and flowing smoothly. We use temporary labels to identify each speaker. When it's the interviewer's turn to speak, we pop in an I: label, and when the respondent takes the mic, we use our colon. And sometimes, instead of writing out the whole name of the speaker, which can be quite time-consuming, we often use the first letter of their name. For instance, R: for Robert or N: for Natalia. It's a clever little shorthand that keeps us on track without slowing us down. By using these nifty temporary labels, we save valuable time during our editing process. We keep things moving smoothly, and when it's time for that final touch, we quickly update the labels to reflect the real names. So armed with our text file, our template, and our keen editing skills, we give that transcript the attention it deserves. And there you have it. Step 2 in our transcription process. It's all about transforming that raw draft into a polished final output. Step 3. Labeling the speakers. After putting in the hard work of editing the entire transcript, it's time to add those finishing touches and give our speakers their proper names. Remember those clever temporary labels we used earlier? To get rid of those temporary labels we used earlier, we use MS Word's Replace All function. It's like a magic button that does all the work for us. It's super simple and saves us a ton of time. Now our final transcript is all set and good to go. It's polished, accurate, and ready to be delivered to our client. We don't do a second pass or proofreading ourselves because our client has their own proofreader. If you feel the need to proofread your transcript before delivering it to your client, then we encourage you to do that. This will ensure that your transcript is perfect and error-free. And for sure, your client will keep coming back again and again.